Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure marketing with Constant Contact easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin securing your marketing with Constant Contact, first, visit the Constant Contact website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email, name, and password. Once you've signed up, log into your new account. On the dashboard, select Create Campaign to start. Choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as an email or social media post. If you select an email campaign, click on Email. Next, choose a template that suits your branding needs. Customize the template by adding your company logo and adjusting colors to match your brand. Now, add your content, including headlines, text, and images. To personalize your email, use the merge tags for recipient names. After drafting your email, click on Next to review your design. Check all links and images to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After confirming your email looks good, click Continue. Now you need to select your audience. If you haven't added contacts yet, click on Add Contacts to upload your list. You can import contacts from Excel, CSV, or manually add them as needed. Once your audience is set, go back to your email campaign. Select the appropriate mailing list for your audience. Before sending, use the preview feature to see how it looks on different devices. If you're satisfied with everything, click on Schedule or Send to distribute your email. To monitor the success of your campaign, go to the Reports section afterward. Here, you can track open rates, click rates, and other analytics. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and improve your marketing strategy. With these steps, you will have successfully secured marketing with Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.